Hi guys, we are making veggie biryani today. For the veggie biryani, I need some ingredient. I'm going to show you. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoon of garlic. Then I have 1 tomato finely chopped, some cauliflower, 1 finely chopped onion, some red pepper, some green beans, some green bell pepper, and some homemade cheese. I have some scallion. I have some green chopped chili. I'm going to put the gas on the high heat. Then I put 2 spoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now the oil is heat up. I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to add the ginger. I'm going to add the onion. I'm heating it to get it brown. It has been already 3 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit butter because I put the water in the onion that it can be cooked well. I don't need to put like too much oil. That's why you could do with the water is very well. I'm just going to add the salt, turmeric powder and the chili powder. Now I'm going to add tomato. I'm going to add a little bit water. You have to mash the tomato with the masala and cook it well. The masala is done now, so I'm going to make a vegetables. Put a little bit oil. I just forgot to mention the cumin seed. I need some cumin seed for the vegetables. Let it get brown. The oil is heat up now. I'm going to add the turmeric, red chili, salt, cauliflower, bell pepper, scallion, red pepper, green beans. I'm just going to put the heat on the medium. Green chili. I'm going to add little bit water and cover the vegetables. It has been 3 minutes. I'm just going to check my vegetables. It's still a little hard, so I have to cover for a few minutes more. You have to cook the vegetable until it gets soft. I cook this vegetable around 10 minutes. So I'm going to add the homemade cheese. I'm going to add coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder. I'm just going to add the masala I make before and just put the heat a little bit high for 2 minutes. Then it can be mixed up proper. My vegetable is done. I'm going to close the gas and later I put the rice I show you. Now I have some boiled rice. I'm going to mix up in my vegetable, and you can eat this vegetable like a mixed vegetable also, and you can make it biryani also. I'm going to put the gas on the low heat. I have to cover this one with the towel. Put the cover and put it for the 5 minutes only. It is time to check the biryani.